Hello and welcome back to course number 5 of Eurocrawl 2024. This was actually my first course of the day, so it was an easy start for the day because the course was relatively easy. On gate number 1, you will not see much about it because it was a steep incline, but it was pretty straightforward. Now on gate number 2, you will see that I will place the front wheels of the car on that little rock there because I wanted to avoid the big gap. So again, with the Pro you can just manipulate. It's easier to dig out. Here I could have gone down and back up, but I decided to dig a bit tight. It was okay. Moving down, we will go now to gate number 3, which you will see that a very light rear will try to slide. So here I got worried. You see just there, the rear went a bit to the left, but the car then gripped and go because it was downhill. Now this is bonus gate number 1. It was a little bit tricky with a couple of ways to do it. I decided to do it this way, so hang the front left tire up high on the rock, and then here I will lose grip as the chassis bottoms out a little bit. There was no grip, so I help with the rear axle and up I go. And after this is a bit of a race, give it some juice. Gate number 4, pretty straightforward. Turn back around, I like to make a wide turn to give me enough time. If you make a too narrow or too tight of a turn, you don't have enough time to think about, and you know, it's harder, so I make a wide turn. This was probably one of the most difficult gates of this course. It was off camber and really difficult. I was taking real care about the rear axle and where it would place so I could clear the gate, but it was okay. Now a bit of a stretch again, and we go to the next rock section. When I enter here, you see my right front wheel get a bit better. That was not on the plan. I entered a little bit hasty, but I managed. I see I put the front right high on the wall, and the left was the one having the grip. I managed the gate, and now this is a bonus, which was a bit harder than what I expected. You'll see here I'm trying, there's no grip, and as soon as the car starts to jump, there's no way. It's better to slow down and start over again. And then I give it a bit of gas, a bit of wiggle, and up I go. And here the front axle is controlling the whole car. You see, I'm doing only with the front axle, because if you push with the rear axle, the car will get out of shape. So over there I was just controlling the positioning of the car only with the dig. That was the way to do it. Go back around, next gate here, on the left side of the car it was a bit lower, so I grip there, I go down. Next gate was interesting. It was hard to see. It's a big drop that you don't really realize from this camera angle. And I wanted to put both wheels on that rock there, and as soon as the car was stable, right there, and as soon as the car was stable, I was working my way around, because if you go more to the right side and try to clear the gate straight away, it was harder. The car was getting out of shape really easily. Now, this was gate 9, I'm going to gate 10. Gate 10 I was a bit confused. I didn't really remember how I planned, if I wanted to go from the bottom or from the top to clear that gate. Both ways were totally doable. Here I was not feeling comfortable. And again, this is the first course, so your confidence is not so sharp, or at least mine is like that in either course.
Okay, much better.
I moved, and yeah, now it's clear. Now I can see what I'm doing, and I clear gate 10, and that was it. Perfect first course.